Reducing inflammation. A key to improving overall health. Inflammation is a natural response of the body's immune system to injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation can lead to a range of health problems, including arthritis, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. Reducing inflammation is essential to improving overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. What is inflammation? Inflammation is a complex biological response of the body's immune system to injury or infection. It involves the activation of immune cells, the release of chemical mediators, and the increased production of inflammatory cytokines. Inflammation can be acute or chronic, and can affect various parts of the body, including joints, skin, and organs. Causes of inflammation. There are several causes of inflammation, including 1. Injury or infection. Injury or infection can trigger an inflammatory response, which is essential for healing and fighting off infections. 2. Autoimmune disorders. Autoimmune disorders, such as rheumatoid arthritis and lupus, can cause chronic inflammation. 3. Allergies. Allergies can cause inflammation in response to specific substances, such as pollen or peanuts. 4. Poor diet. A diet high in processed foods, sugar, and saturated fats can contribute to chronic inflammation. 5. Stress. Chronic stress can lead to inflammation and exacerbate existing health conditions. Symptoms of inflammation. The symptoms of inflammation can vary depending on the underlying cause and the affected area of the body. Common symptoms of inflammation include 1. Pain. Pain is a common symptom of inflammation, particularly in the affected area. 2. Swelling. Swelling is another common symptom of inflammation, which can be caused by increased fluid retention and immune cell activation. 3. Redness. Redness and warmth are common symptoms of inflammation, particularly in the affected area. 4. Stiffness. Stiffness and limited mobility can occur in affected joints or areas. Reducing inflammation. Reducing inflammation requires a multifaceted approach that addresses the underlying causes and promotes overall health and well-being. Some strategies for reducing inflammation include 1. Dietary changes. Eating an anti-inflammatory diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats can help reduce inflammation. 2. Exercise. Regular exercise can help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. 3. Stress management. Stress management techniques, such as meditation and yoga, can help reduce stress and inflammation. 4. Sleep. Getting adequate sleep is essential for reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. 5. Supplements. Certain supplements, such as omega-3 fatty acids and turmeric, have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce inflammation. Anti-inflammatory foods. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your diet can help reduce inflammation and promote overall health. Some examples of anti-inflammatory foods include 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon and sardines, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are rich in antioxidants and other anti-inflammatory compounds. 3. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries and raspberries, are rich in antioxidants and other anti-inflammatory compounds. 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as walnuts and chia seeds, are rich in healthy fats and antioxidants. 5. Whole grains. Whole grains, such as brown rice and quinoa, are rich in fiber and other anti-inflammatory compounds. Conclusion. Reducing inflammation is essential to improving overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. By incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your diet, exercising regularly, managing stress, and getting adequate sleep, you can reduce inflammation and promote overall health and well-being. Recommendations. If you're looking to reduce inflammation, here are some recommendations. 1. Eat an anti-inflammatory diet. Incorporate anti-inflammatory foods, such as fatty fish, leafy greens, and berries, into your diet. 2. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. 3. Manage stress. Stress management techniques, such as meditation and yoga, can help reduce stress and inflammation. 4. Get adequate sleep. Getting adequate sleep is essential for reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. 5. Consider supplements. Certain supplements, such as omega-3 fatty acids and turmeric, have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce inflammation.